Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I would like to explain a problem on triple integration. See the statement of the given problem. Evaluate integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, integral 0 to x plus y of the function e power x plus y plus z into dz dy dx. This means that we have to take the integration of the function e power x plus y plus z with respect to z, after that with respect to y, after that with respect to x within the given limits. Okay, so first of all consider the given integration once again. Consider integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, integral 0 to x plus y of the function e power x plus y plus z into dz into dy into dx is equal to first of all we have to put the names for the limits. Clearly there are three integrations here. Okay, so this is called inner integral. This is called inner integral. Clearly we are observing that the limits of the inner integral are in terms of x and y. That's why these were the z limits. Also we have to observe that order of the integration. Here we have dz. So first of all you have to take the integration with respect to z only. That's why inner integral should be z limits. And we are observing that this is second integral are 0 to x. The limits of second integral are 0 to x, which are in terms of x. Also we are observing that here we have dy. That's why these are the y limits. Automatically outer integral are x limits. The outer integral should be constants. The limits of outer integral should be constants, which are x limits. So I will write names as integral x is equal to 0 to log 2, integral y is equal to 0 to x, and integral z is equal to 0 to x plus y of the function e power x plus y plus z into dz dy dx. Okay, first of all I will take the integration for this function with respect to z only. So see, integral x is equal to 0 to log 2, integral y is equal to 0 to x, open a bracket, integral z is equal to 0 to x plus y e power x plus y plus z into dz, close the bracket. You should write the bracket for this part. It means that we are going to take the integration of this function with respect to z first. Okay, so that is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to log 2, integral y is equal to 0 to x. We know that in this case we should treat x and y as constants. So that's why integration of e power z with respect to z is itself. That's why I am writing here e power x plus y plus z. Integration of e power x plus y plus z with respect to z is itself. Within the limits z is equal to 0 to x plus y into dy dx. Okay, here don't forget one formula. Integration of e power ax is e power ax by a. By using this one I am getting this term. Here coefficient z is already 1. Now apply the upper limit. Whenever we have z, replace it by x plus y. Since we are taking the integration here with respect to z. So that is equal to integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to, these are x limits and these are y limits, 0 to x, open a bracket, apply the upper limit. So e power x plus y plus x plus y. That's why you are getting x plus x 2x and y plus y 2y. Minus, don't forget applying lower limit. By replacing lower limit z is equal to 0, you will get e power x plus y whole into dy dx. Now I will take the integration with respect to y. That's why I am putting a bracket for this part. So integration of x is equal to 0 to log 2. What is the integration of e power 2x plus 2y with respect to y now? E power 2x plus 2y by coefficient of y, which is 2, minus e power x plus y. So within the limits y is equal to 0 to x. Integration of e power x plus y is itself e power x plus y only into dx. Since integration is completed, we have to apply the limits. So integral x is equal to 0 to log 2. Whenever we have y, replace it by upper limit x. So you will get e power 2x plus 2x, 4x by 2 minus replace y by x only. So you will get e power 2x minus apply the lower limit. Whenever we have y, replace it by 0, e power 2x by 2 minus of minus plus replace y by 0, you will get e power x whole into dx. That is equal to integral x is equal to 0 to log 2 e power 4x by 2. By taking the LCM for the middle two terms, club this both terms, you will get minus 2 minus 1. It would be minus 3 e power 2x by 2 plus e power x whole into dx. Now I will take the integration with respect to x. See, integration of e power 4x is e power 4x by 4 because integration of e power x ax is e power x by a. Here a is nothing but 4. So you will get e power 4x by 4. Already 2 is there. That's why you will get 8. Minus here also you will get 3 into integration of e power 2x is e power 2x by 2. Already 2 is there. So you will get 4. Plus integration of e power x is itself. The integration is completed. So it is enough to apply the limits. See. That is equal to e power apply x is equal to upper limit log 2. So you will get e power 4 log 2 by 8 minus 3 into e power 2 into whenever we have x we should replace it by upper limit log 2 by 4 plus e power log 2 minus apply lower limit now. Before applying lower limit, we should write the negative sign before the term. Don't forget it. E power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So 1 by 8. Minus of minus plus e power 0 which is 1. Already 3 is there. So you will get 3 by 4. Minus e power 0 is 1. Now already we know that n into log x. N into log x is equal to log x power n. Okay, that's why you will get e power log 2 power 4 by 8 minus 3 into e power, take this 2 to power, log 2 square by 4 e power log 2 minus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. Also we have another formula which is e power log x. What is e power log x? X only. Okay, since base is e, here also base is e, that's why you will get 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16 by 8. 3 times of here you will get 4 by 4 plus you will get here 2 because e power log 2 is 2 only, minus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. We are observing that 4 getting cancelled 2 times here. So 2 plus 2 4 minus 3 minus 1 4. 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 minus 3 getting cancelled. For the remaining 2 parts minus 8 is the LCM, minus 1 plus 2 times 2 3s are 6. 5 by 8 is the result. You can also use the calculator. You will get the similar result. In this way we can crack the value of the given triple integral. In the next video I will give some more examples on triple integration. Thank you very much.